We're here at the Poço Bacalhau. This is one of the most famous waterfalls on this island, and it's super easy to go to, and it's super pretty. The first time that I came here, it was all fields everywhere, and you had to climb over everything, but now you just have to go through the nice rocky path. Now we're gonna walk to the Poço Bacalhau. Let's go. This is a moin, and this is old moin. How do you say it? Moin. No. This is old moin. It stirs up the corn, and it makes it to corn flour. Let's keep on walking. There's also big rocks that kind of make little tiny waterfalls. We're almost there. Here is an old rock house. It's made out of rocks, and you can see the windows. And it also used to be a moin. This is a good spot where you could swim in the water. There's lots of rocks, but make sure the rocks under the water, they're super slippery, so watch out. Now we're going down the water. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.